that's what they said too. After a rain
Uh-huh.
is when they're the best because there's more flowing when
Oh,
we
yeah.
got more rain.